Welcome to tutorial 8, a tutorial about finding angles using the cosine rule. The cosine rule is used to find angles when given all the three sides. As in this case, we have got all the three sides. So the question is saying find cos A. Here is the formula for finding angles using the cosine rule. This is the formula for calculating sides using the cosine rule. This is the formula for calculating angles using the cosine rule. But how did we come up with this formula? See what is happening here. This part, 2bc cos A, should cross the equal sign going the other side. A squared should also cross the equal sign going the other side. So this becomes 2bc cos A equals to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. This becomes negative. Then we want to find cos A, so let us make cos A the subject over 2bc over 2bc. So cos A equals to b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc, this one. So this is how we came up with this formula for calculating angles. It originated from the formula for calculating sides using the cosine rule. So let us apply this formula on the following question. Cos A equals to 8 squared plus 7 squared minus 9 squared equals to 32 over 2 times 7 times 8 equals to 112. 32 divided by 112 is 0.2857, etc., etc. You don't need to write this number down. Then, what next from there? You have to press the second function, keypad. Some of the calculators contain the second function, some of the calculators contain the shift. So you have to press the second function keypad or the shift keypad. Then press the cos keypad, then equals to. Its second function, cos equals to, or its shift cos equals to. The answer here will be 73.4 degrees. So that is how to find the angle. To find the angle using the sine rules, equals to second function, after finding this decimal number, equals to second function, then sine, then equals to. Finding angles using the cosine rule after finding this decimal number, equals to second function, then cos, then equals to. So the angle will be, in this case, the angle is 73.4 degrees. The question is saying, find angle A. Here are all the three sides of the triangle. So we have to use the cosine rule. So cos A equals to b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. Cos A equals to b squared, that is 8 squared plus 7 squared minus 9 squared over 2 times 8 times 7. Now it's your turn. I want you to find cos C. The answer here, if you got it correct, was 74.4. Please let me know if you got it correct in the comment section below. Please watch the videos and please leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. By now, we have covered both the sine and the cosine rules to calculate angles and sides. The next tutorial will be a tutorial of bearing, on how to answer bearing questions, even the toughest ones, using both sine and cosine rules. So as for now, it's a goodbye. Please take care. I love you all. Till the next time. Bye-bye.